Hello friends, Revolver 44 here. Today I have a short video to bring you of my Glock Model 27. This is a Gen 2 or Gen 2.5, whatever they call it. I'm not exactly sure about that. This is a 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. It has a capacity of 9+1. It comes with, well, it doesn't come with it, but I have two different types of magazines for it. They're both 9+1. One has the extended base plate and one is without the extended base plate. This gun also will fit magazines from the Glock 23 and the Glock 22, which is also chambered in 40 caliber Smith & Wesson. This has a barrel length of 3.43 inches. It has an overall length of 6.5 inches. And the width is 1.26 inches at its widest point. This particular gun was made in 1996. The Glock introduced this gun in 1995. It's very similar in size. Matter of fact, it's exactly the same size as a Glock 26 and the Glock 30. The 26 is chambered in 9mm, and the 30 is chambered in 45 ACP. And this gun has a nice crown barrel, and there's even a crown radius here on the front of the slide to help ease it into your holster. This gun has the old Glock Caliber finish. It still has the original sights on it, the polymer sights. It only has serrations in the back, none in the front. The back strap has nice checkering on it. The front strap is smooth with finger grooves. Yeah, it's a nice little gun. It has more power than your 9mm if you want something smaller to carry. It has a nice positive ejection for an older gun. This Glock also has the safe action trigger, like all the rest of the Glocks, where you have to push down this safety here in order to make the gun fire. Otherwise, it won't fire. Yeah, it's a nice piece. Very easy takedown. All you do is you remove your magazine, pull your trigger, bring the slide back a little bit, pull down these tabs, and release the slide, and it comes right off. And you have your guide rod. It's a dual spring guide rod. And your barrel. Very simple. Yeah, it's really very nicely machined. Very simple. This gun was a police trade-in, but it's like brand new. It's really in excellent condition. One question I had to some of you Glock people out there: the front sight is being held in by, I don't know what that is. You can see it. There's not a nut there, so I was wondering if that's something that just pushes out or what. I never seen anything like that on the front side of a gun. You can answer me, give me an answer to that in the questions. in the comments, I mean, if you think you know how that comes out. If it just pushes out, looks like a piece of polymer that just pushes out. Anyway, if you can help me with that, I've been thinking about, might want to put a set of night sights on it instead of having the plastic sights. Anyway, to reassemble, it's very easy. You just put the barrel back in, and you just get a guide rod and recoil spring. And just put the slide back over the frame. Test for function. And you're ready to go. It's got a nice, pretty nice trigger, I think. You know, it's got quite a bit of take up, but it's pretty crisp, not too heavy. And the reset is pretty fast. Yeah, if you guys know how that comes out, please let me know in the comments. Let's check the trigger pull weight. We'll check the weight of the gun first. Put the magazine back, empty magazine in. .34 ounces. Yeah, Glock says that it weighs 21.34 ounces with a magazine, so it's exactly right. Let's check the trigger pull now. £4, 6.4 ounces. Yeah, Glock says it's a 5.5 pound trigger, but this has probably been used a little bit, and maybe it's gotten better over the years. But yeah, you can get these magazine extenders for it. This is a Glock one, I believe. This one here is made by Pierce Grips. It's 1999, but it's exactly the same. Just the Pierce one has serrations on it. Let's check the dimensions of the gun. It's supposed to be 6.5 inches long. Yeah, that's what it is, 6.5 inches long. And the height, uh, 4 inches. With the flat base plate, 4 inches high. With the extended base plate, you get about 4.5. The overall width, the widest point would probably be to the cylinder lock, not cylinder lock, but slide release button. Yeah, 1.240. It's not bad. I guess for a pretty powerful round you're getting with this in a small package, it's a nice gun. You can be pretty easy to conceal this in a holster. outside the waistband. You put it in a sticky holster, or if you have a nice Glock, a nice, not Glock, but a nice Kydex holster would be good, or a leather holster. Pretty nice little piece. This is I only have a couple of Glocks. This is my other one. The other one I have is a Glock 19 that was made in 1992. And this one here was made in 1996. Now, like I said, all Glock 40 mags will fit in this. So you can put this is only a 9+1. You could put a 13-round Glock magazine, or a 15-round Glock magazine, or even a 30-round magazine, if they make them that big. Would fit in this. As long as it's 40 caliber, it's going to fit. Another thing I wanted to show you today, if you're at the range, make sure you guys don't leave your ammunition in the box uncovered, because I saw a video of somebody going to the range and a round flying out of their weapon and hitting the top of some empty that it flew out and hit a box of their rounds on the primer, and it went off. This is something that you can get on Amazon. It's called the G-Code Bang Box, and it enables you to pour all your rounds into the box and cover them up so they're safe. Plus, it makes it a lot easier to get them out and put them in. That's just a little safety tip that I wanted to give you. So that's about all I have to say about this gun today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is Revolver 44. I'll bring something else out to you in a couple of weeks. So until then, be safe and have a good day. And thank you for watching.